Yeah. So.
Okay.
Okay.
That one with the black piece of shingle that blew off my roof. That one's the fullest.
Okay.
And that one's the one that it had a couple of those cups in it. I'd like to point them out to you.
Okay.
They are not queen cells.
Okay.
But, you know, if you feel uncomfortable with that, I got a lot of others.
No,
The sticks tell what week they're going to be ready to go.
All right, man.
So front means they're ready this week, middle means they're ready 3 weeks from now, and the back means they're ready next week. I'm going to hand you the first frame right away, if that's all right by you.
I got it. Loaded with nectar.
So here's what we're looking at right now for her pattern.
Okay.
Thought it just looked real pretty. Just a brand new queen's pattern. And she is a brand new queen, freshly mated. Her egg pattern is absolutely gorgeous too. This fourth frame in here was brand new just 7 days ago.
Is that right? Brand new?
It was brand new 7 days ago.
Oh, sweet.
And that frame's got to get gently put back in the box just for the time being.
Okay.
As soon as you check it, good for the queen. So this frame was brand new 7 days ago, and look at that. There she is.
Small cell too. Cool.
Now can you all right, now I'm just gonna set the whole nook right back where it was.
Yes.
It can collect all these bees right back.
I don't need to feed these things at all, do I?
She should be on this.
Got 'em.
I'm pretty sure she's on that one. She's got an excellent egg pattern. Or when we, you know.
All right, this is beautiful.
A brand new queen, brand new brood pattern. You can tell a brand new queen's brood pattern. You can tell it because the larvae are perfectly organized. She started in the center of the frame, worked out. You get an older queen, you don't get that perfect. I don't know, I guess that sounds to me like just that.
What's that? I'm sorry.
Bad queen would almost
Here she's a young queen.
You found her?
Mm-hmm.
I missed her.
Mm-hmm.
There she is. I see her.
I'm good. Just get them back in, let them collect.
I bought some Mike Muller genetics a while back just to see, you know, kind of how they did.
I got to get some beetle barns, some fipronil, and some apivar. I'm going to start with there.
Yep. These got their last treatment 2 months ago.
Okay.
So the reason I do it like that is because I don't want any chemicals in there while I'm raising the drones. I don't want any chemicals in there.
Get all suited up. Oh, damn it. Let the games begin. Let the games begin.